All of you understood about this? No. Okay. Comments. What is the topic's name? Yeah. Comments is a also a HTML code. Okay. Comments is also an HTML code. So comments it is developed by the developer and it also seen by the developers. So no another person will. So comments only. Yes, yes. So it is also not display on the browser. So comments is a hideable things just like okay. Only look only look developers. Okay, okay. So we will write comments in two way. How many way will write comments? In two way. First, we will write comments. If you want to create comment, then left angles and explanation marks are given and write your comments and close it. Already given in the book. And second, start with comment and write about the topics and close the comments. Understood? Any problem? Okay. Next topic's name is bold, italics, and underline. What is the topic's name? Yeah. What do you mean by bold, italic, and underline? Listen carefully. What is the meaning of bold? Means your text will comes on the screen in bold way. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah. And italic. All of you know about italic now. Okay. Yes. Yes. I know. But many students are not listening my sound. How it is possible? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Good. So bold, italic, and underline. So look here, we are using bold. Bold. If you want to write any text in bold form, then we will use bold tag. Okay, and I for italic and U for underline the tag. Underline. Okay. Any doubt? Look here. I am here in one examples are here given. So look everyone. So in these examples, here given B for why we are using bold. Yes, yes. So right here using bold effect and BR or HR. Already we are discussed about BR and HR. BR for break the lines. Okay. HR horizontal row. Okay. Horizontal ruler line. Here size 10 and breadth 200 here given. I for italics and again break the lines and U for underline. So here output here comes. Look here. This is your output. So we are first we are using bold. So bold letter will come here. Using bold effect here comes in bold way now. Yes, and next using italic effect. Yes, italic effects coming in italic way now. And next is using underline. Underline also there. Okay, good. Next, Okay. Next topic's name is CSS. What is the new topic's name? Yes. So now we will discuss about CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Okay. What is the full form of CSS? Yes. A, okay, good, good. So HTML we are using for writing the code. Okay, we are using for developing the web page. But CSS is used for arranging the web page, and designing the web page. Okay, why we are using CSS? Yes, if you want to write any text, any table size, any effects on the web page, any design if you want to create on the web page, then we will use CSS, cascading style sheet. So here a style words is coming now. Yes, means if we want to create our seeds in a style way, then we will use cascading a style sheet. Okay, all of you understood what is the use of CSS? Yes, very good. Means if you want to create any web page on the search engine or anywhere on the, then we will use. Yes, very good. Very good. Understood? Okay, what is the benefits of CSS? So a lot of benefits of the CSS. So first, a uniform looks across several web pages. Suppose we are using how many pages? What is the page of your textbook here now? 133. Next page. Next page. Yes, yes, okay. So we want to say, according to the CSS, we are arranging the web page in serial wise. Okay. Any problem? Next point, more exact control over how web page will look. Means if we want to, yes, if you want to create any web page, then your web page, if your web page is very good in a style, very good seats there, then everyone will look or not. Yes, yes or not. So according to our web pages, according to our web designing, your software, your codes will be very effective. Next, control layout of many HTML documents from one single CSS. It can apply the different layouts, different display media like screen, print, tables, etc. Tablet, etc. How to be use CSS? We will use CSS in three way. How many way we will use? Yes. First way is inline, second internal, third is external. Understood? Yes. Inline. By using the style attribute in HTML, by using the style attribute in HTML, you can use many values of a style attribute separates with semicolon. We will use semicolon for separate the lines. Okay. In internal, by using a style element in the head section and external by using the external. Understood? So look here. Here given in-line statements in next page. So in-line CSS is used to apply a unique style. If we want to use unique style, then we will use inline CSS. Understood? So examples here given. Write H1 style color is blue. What written H1 style color is? Yes. This is the first type heading in blue color. If we will use blue color, then we will come they will come in blue color means according to usage. Okay. One example is also given here. Given HTML, head, style, all these things are given. Color is red and next green. All these things are given. So look here. Here background color is a sky blue comes. Dear students, everyone mute the mic, otherwise I will mute. Okay. So here background color is a sky blue. So a sky blue comes here and next colors here red. What is the colors of red? Your heading color is red. Yes. If we want to write any text in different color, then we will use H1 for heading first. Okay, so put here a red color, then your heading will come in red color and paragraph in green, then it will comes in green. Any doubt? So this is the inline or internal. One more. Okay, look here, examples here given in box. HTML head title. What is the titles? Text style titles given now. Okay, if we will write title is where is title in output section? All of you seen? Where is written? Look, look here. Here is title written here. Text style written. Yes. So text styles here comes. Next, body part. What is the written in body parts? In body parts written there background color as sky blue. First body ground background. So background color is a sky blue. So this color is a sky blue comes now. And next H1 for heading. So heading color is red. Heading is coming in red color. And then P for paragraph color. It comes in green color. Any problem? All of you understood? Next, what do you mean by external CSS? Look here. An external style sheet is used to define the style for many HTML pages. With an external style sheet, you can change the look of entire website by changing one file. Means with the help of external CSS, we will change the look of entire website. Okay. So to use an external style sheet, add a link to it in head section parts. Then we will use external style sheet. Any problem? Here given body background color, page number 134. Yes, okay. We will explain with the help of uh, examples. Okay. So here examples are given. Here examples are given. Here written HTML, head, title is external CSS. So titles comes here. Look here. Here titles comes external CSS. Okay. Okay. Next, here written link REL, style sheet HRAEF, है ना, CSS style means we are using CSS style for changing the look of an entire website. Okay. And next head will close, and here written H1. H1 is written. This is heading, and here paragraph written. So look here, your heading is different form, and a style here also in different form. Yes, then we will use CSS. So if we will use CSS, then during saving time we will use the file name and dot CSS. So dot CSS is extension of your file. Okay, understood? Okay. Next is background property. What do you mean by background property? Background properties we are using for changing the background of our web page. Okay. Okay. Means background properties are using for changing the background of the sheets, changing the backgrounds styles of an elements. Okay. With different properties. Any problem? We will change color, repeat, attachment, images, all these things we will use in background properties. Understood? Next here, color property. We are already discussed about color property. But now again, what do you mean by color properties in background? If we want to change the color of any web page, you know, then we will use background color. Okay, means this property is used for set the background color of an element. Okay, so here given elements, background colors, and here is value. So we are writing here background color, and what is the color's name? Light pink. Yes, so look here, your background color will come in light pink. Any problem here? All of you understood? Yes. Okay, तो आज के लिए इतने ही रहने देते हैं, है ना? क्योंकि ये अब पेज आगे जो है कि खत्म ही हो जाएगा तुरंत। आज मैं एक वीडियो भी आप लोग को सेंड करूंगा, HTML का वीडियो सेंड करूंगा, आप लोग सब देखिएगा। ओके, मेरा वीडियो आप लोग देखते हैं? मेरा वीडियो आप लोग देखते हैं यूट्यूब का? अच्छा लगता है? ठीक, कोशिश करते हैं कि आप लोग के लिए बना कर रखें, जो बच्चे नहीं देख पाते हैं, है ना, उनके लिए, है ना? यस, मैं दे रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन आप लोग को। तो क्वेश्चन आप लोग को बुक से ही दूंगा, ठीक है? देखिए आप लोग पेज नंबर निकालिए 140। उसका डी सेक्शन में जाइए। In D sections, here first question is give full form of CSH. All of you know na? So solve it. So those questions, suppose first question, yes. Third questions, yes. Third question also you are able to solve, है ना? Many questions you are able. Third. First, third, second. If you are able, then solve it. No problem. Third, फोर्थ ऑल्सो, ऑल क्वेश्चन तो हो ही जाएगा, है ना? यस, इन फेयर कॉपी। एंड ई सेक्शन में जाइए, ई सेक्शन, एक्सप्लेन एनी टू बैकग्राउंड प्रॉपर्टीज, यू आर एबल टू एक्सप्लेन? यस। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, बोल्ड, इटालिक, अंडरलाइन, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? सेकंड क्वेश्चन ई सेक्शन का आज भी डिस्कस कर दिए, हो जाएगा कंप्लीट। थर्ड तो कल ही दिए थे, फोर्थ कल ही दिए थे, है ना? फाइव भी कल दिए थे। 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन, ओके। और एफ सेक्शन, वेरी इजी ना? ब्राउजर, ब्राउजर हो जाएगा। थर्ड में ब्राउजर हो जाएगा। बनाइएगा ना, नहीं बनेगा तो ये भी बन जाएगा। हाँ हाँ, कॉपी में ही बनाना है। और ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा आप लोग से। ओके, वेरी गुड। सो एवरीवन, नाउ कंप्लीट एवरीवन, यस। अब चैप्टर 1 कितना बार मैं करवाया हूँ जी। क्वेश्चन आंसर तो मैं खुद से करवा दिया था आप लोग को। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स अब आप लोग कर ही लिए, तो फिर भी नहीं आ रहा है। कौन सा क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं हो रहा है? सब तो क्वेश्चन मैं करवा चुका हूँ। ई का क्वेश्चन नंबर, क्या? ओके, तो आप लोग कर लीजिएगा। ओके, एनी प्रॉब्लम? Everyone complete all these questions, solve it and send in group today. Okay, then if you will send in teachment apps, otherwise you will send in my number. Any problem? Okay. Okay, thank you.